Hardik Pandya, the name that reverberates power and dynamism in the world of cricket. A compelling force on the field, Pandya combines the fiery prowess of right-handed batting with the strategic finesse of right-arm fast-medium bowling. His all-round abilities have etched a significant mark in various formats of the game, most notably in the limited overs cricket. In the Indian national team, he's a key player whose contributions often tilt the scales in India's favour. A talent that emerged from the grassroots, Pandya's journey to the top is nothing short of inspirational. Born on October 11, 1993 in Surat, Gujarat, Hardik Pandya's cricketing journey began at a tender age. His love for cricket was kindled in the bustling streets of Surat, where he spent countless hours perfecting his stroke play. The cricketing bug bit him early, and there was no looking back. During his teenage years, Pandya honed his skills at the Kiran Moore International Academy, a renowned cricket institution. It was here that he transformed from a cricket enthusiast to a professional cricketer. The academy played a pivotal role in shaping his cricketing journey, nurturing his raw talent and molding him into a versatile player. The turning point came in the 2013-14 Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy. Pandya dazzled on the field, playing a crucial role in Baroda's triumph in the tournament. This performance was a testament to his burgeoning potential and prowess. Pandya's impressive performance in domestic cricket didn't go unnoticed, paving his way into the Indian Premier League. In 2015, Pandya's hard work bore fruit when he was picked by the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League. His debut was nothing short of spectacular, as he stunned spectators with quick-fire 21 runs off just 8 balls, a testament to his explosive batting style. This remarkable performance was only the beginning of his ascent in the cricket world. Soon after, in 2016, Pandya's prowess caught the attention of the Indian national team selectors. His selection to the squad led to his performance in the Asia Cup and the T20 World Cup, where he continued to shine. His handy bowling contributions, coupled with his dynamic batting skills, were instrumental in many crucial matches. These consistent performances in both the Indian Premier League and international cricket didn't just earn him accolades, but also solidified his position as a reliable all-rounder in the Indian team. Pandya's consistent performances in the IPL and international cricket solidified his position as a reliable all-rounder in the Indian team. Hardik Pandya became the all-rounder India was longing for. His versatility on the pitch, batting with ferocious intensity and bowling with tactical precision, made him an invaluable asset. He's often been the architect of India's victory, scoring quick runs when the team needs them most, and picking up crucial wickets with his fast medium bowling. His performances have not just won matches, but hearts too. Hardik Pandya's journey from a budding cricketer to a reliable all-rounder for Team India is a testament to his hard work and dedication.